Create dark ambient dystopian soundscapes in GarageBand. Easy. Hello, everyone. Forget everything you thought GarageBand could do. Today, we're twisting its capabilities to forge something truly dark and magnificent. A full-blown dystopian soundscape. If you've ever dreamt of scoring the soundtrack to humanity's downfall, or simply crave a unique creative challenge, then prepare to unlock the hidden, darker potential of your favorite free DAW. You won't believe what you can create. This is my Ambient Dystopian Soundscapes project in GarageBand, and this is my arrangement. Let's explore the project. RP Melodies. I just show the settings and sounds from each track. Let's see the first track, Distant Piano. A simple melody using Arpeggiator. See, the chord is D-flat 9 sus4. Using Arpeggiator and Tremolo in plugins, it sounds like a beautiful ARP melody that is suitable for ambient soundscapes. Same chord in the Shimming analog with the Arpeggiator sounds like this. Sounds like ambient vibes. Again, with same instrument with the same Arpeggiator. I rearranged full melody type chords for better ARP melody. Chord progressions are 1, dB9, sus4, 2 F sharp, 9 sus4, 3 A9 sus4, and 4 E9 sus4. Same piano instrument with same Arpeggiator and plugin for full melody chord. Same shimming analog instrument with different Arpeggiator. Another ambient soundscapes sounds vibes. Again, same instrument with full melody chords. Atmospheric pads for soundscapes. I choose Morning Meditation Pad. I use a different chord, progression. The progressions are 1, C sharp minor 7th, F sharp minor 7th, a major 7, E major 7. Choose same instruments and Arpeggiator for a new chord progression for better melody in the later part. Explore with Tremolo if you want. Add piano with chord progression, but no Arpeggiator. Distant drift synth pads with some Arpeggiator for beautiful soundscapes. Dreamy air guitar for soft pads. Again, dreamy air guitar pad with some Arpeggiator. Metallic Memories bowl pad for some slow, airy pads. These are the software instruments I used. You can see that my main instruments are in user patches, distant piano and shimming. These instruments are saved by me with some variations in the default instruments. Distant piano has some variations from the Steinway grand piano with some changes in these controls and in plugins. Shimming has some variations from Shimming analog with some changes in controls. Let me explain in detail here. You can see the difference in controls here. Just adjust these controls to get the exact same result. By adjusting the controls, you can get similar sounds. by compiling ARP melodies plus atmospheric pads for soundscapes. Together you can make ambient dystopian soundscapes in GarageBand. Let's hear all the things together. This track is called Still Waters. Hear it? Link in description.